Hi, I'm Abby, and this is my dog Max, and we're going to show you the steps how to wash a dog. First thing you do is to get some old clothes, because it's a very messy job. Step 2 is to brush your dog, and what you need is a dog brush. And make sure you get all the extra hair off. Max likes this part. We brushed my dog because if we didn't, all that hair would go down in the drain, and we would have a big glob of hair in the drain, and that's not good. The third thing to do is to put your dog in the bathtub. Sometimes this isn't a very easy job. Well, at last we got him in with a little help from my dad. The fourth step is to wet the dog down.
Good boy. Max is a good boy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Well, every once in a while you should give him a treat because he's doing so good. Step number 5 is you need dog shampoo because you gotta scrub them.
A little bit more. Okay.
Make sure to rub it in real good.
Okay.
And make sure you do both sides.
Good boy.
Sixth step is to rinse your dog off. See how this is messy? That's why you have to change your clothes.
Good boy.
Last but not least, you gotta dry your dog off. But be careful, he's gonna shake. Wow, he smells so clean. See?